Hello, welcome back. I just wanted to do an unboxing and show you an update on the floral pattern that I was working on in my last video. So this one is one my first eBay purchase. You can see it's got 9 colors. It's very, very small. I am learning. You got to be careful with these because sometimes they're a little smaller than I'd like. Really doesn't look anything like what the picture shows, but given its size, let's see if I can get close enough. Given its size, I guess it'll do. But it's cute. Those will be one that I'll probably let my daughter work on. She's anxious. And if you can see, there is glitter with the adhesive, which is kind of cool. I haven't seen that yet in one of mine. I've seen it on other videos. And here are the beads. Normal leopard colors. And the standard kit. The normal pin, the wax, and the tray. And a few little bags. And now, to the exciting part for me, I've gotten quite a lot done on this one. It's really pretty. But I have already run into a problem. W, which is this one. Is it this one? This one. Anyway, W, I am already out of. And the problem with that is I still have all of that, all of that, all of that. Still quite a few that I need. But luckily, let's see if I can get some sparkle for you. There you go. Let's see the sparkle. Luckily with the owls that I did first, there is a similar gray. And I went ahead and just put what was left over into my, whoops, that's not the right box. Where'd the W go? Oh, no, I've lost it. Oh, I had it on top. There it is. Sorry. Anyway, so this is what I have left from my other kit. So hopefully that will be enough to get these other parts done. And I did just to kind of test out the color. Sorry. It's a little bit different, but I think it's going to work okay. You can see right here. Those 2 different colors there. The one on the right is the original W, and the one on the left is the new W. So no one will know but me. And then I don't have to bother the seller and wait who knows how long. Although this did come in 3 days, so I might be able to get the replacements quicker. But hopefully I won't have any other problems. Still have a long way to go. But thanks for checking in, and I'll see you next time.